Eye strain is a common condition caused by prolonged use of digital screens, reading, or exposure to bright light. It can lead to discomfort, headaches, and difficulty focusing. Here are some effective ways to prevent eye strain and maintain healthy vision. 1. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a break and look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This helps reduce the strain caused by focusing on a screen for long periods. 2. Adjust screen settings. Optimize your screen brightness and contrast to match the lighting in your surroundings. Also, increase text size if needed to reduce the strain on your eyes. 3. Maintain proper lighting. Avoid working in overly bright or dim lighting. Use natural light when possible, and position your screen to minimize glare from windows or overhead lights. 4. Blink frequently. Staring at a screen reduces your blink rate, leading to dry and irritated eyes. Make a conscious effort to blink more often to keep your eyes moist. 5. Use blue light filters. Prolonged exposure to blue light from screens can contribute to eye strain. Use blue light filter settings on your devices or wear blue light blocking glasses. 6. Maintain a comfortable viewing distance. Keep your screen at least 20 inches away from your eyes and slightly below eye level. Avoid sitting too close to prevent excessive focus strain. 7. Take regular breaks. Step away from your screen periodically to rest your eyes. Engage in activities that do not require close focus, such as stretching or walking. 8. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can contribute to dry eyes. Drink enough water throughout the day to maintain proper hydration and eye moisture.